Hi and welcome to CodeChavez.com. Today I'll show you how to make an Angular application but not using the Microsoft provided template. Let me show you why. Microsoft template give you a lot of files. The regular CS, HTML files, all the TypeScript files, obviously. You have to deal with Razor syntax besides, the Angular, which makes the application a little bit hard, to learn. Obviously, you have your own Webpack config file. You have as well your TypeScript file. So I'm going to show you how to make an Angular application using a different project template. Alright, just remember that you need to be at least familiar with Angular, TypeScript, and also Webpack. And obviously you need to have installed on your computer Node.js. Again, we're building all these using Visual Studio. You can download whatever version you want. This is the project template that we're going to use. It's called Angular Net Core RESTful API. You can download it and install it to your Visual Studio. Also, we're going to be using Open Command Line, which is a really nice extension to open terminal straight from your project. Alright, let's get started. After you install the extension, you should be able to select Angular.NET Core RESTful API. You click OK. This is going to do the same thing. It's going to give you all the files that you need to start an Angular application with ASP.NET Core RESTful API. Normal dependencies. That's the name that we're given for title. Show you we're working on ASP.NET Core 2.0. That's the one that's going to be installed. It has normal package.json with a minimum. You can change values here, obviously. You don't have to keep everything. Everything, dependencies and web and dev dependencies needs to be here. Provides you with a really nice standardized app folder, with normal code, TypeScript code, and HTML. Nothing really fancy. As you can see, a home folder as well. Normal TypeScript, HTML. It's a very basic application to start with. A basic TypeScript configurations file and a basic Webpack configuration file. And this way you can add the stuff that you want and not really stripping down stuff that you actually break the entire application, the worst case. Right, for now you only need to restore packages, and I'll be back with you after the restoring is done. Alright, all packages are being installed. Let's run it now. Let's run it on terminal. I like PowerShell, so I'm gonna use that one. We're gonna type in npm run serve. It's installed localhost 3000. Taking a little bit of time to finish the packaging. Alright, so as you can see, the application load without the data. Right, just to show you the connection is not really working. Right, so now let's go back to Visual Studio and let's press F5 or just click on the button and wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, okay, the web API is working, huh? Pretty good. Now we go back to the application, we refresh, and there you go. It's working totally fine, getting the data through the web API, firing a different port, and there you go. This is how you make an Angular application using Visual Studio 2017. The advantage of doing it this way is that you can modify either the HTML file or the TypeScript file, and it's going to compile it on runtime and display the change immediately. It's a big win. And that's how we built an Angular application using ASP.NET Core Web API. That was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.